Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant while launching the game, or right in the middle of the game you got an Vanguard error van 84. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, you need to right click on start menu and choose option run. You need to type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now here, whichever your Wi-Fi is, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, you need to right click on it and go to its properties. Now over here, first of all you need to uncheck TCP/IP v6. After doing so, click on TCP/IP v4 and click on the properties option. Now we are going to use the Google DNS, so choose second option and type in 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. After doing so, hit the OK button. Now close it. Now click on start menu, type CMD and choose the option run as administrator. Now type here a command ipconfig /flushdns and then hit the enter key. After doing so, go ahead and you are ready to launch the game to fix out the Vanguard error. If this failed to work out, in second step, right click on start menu, choose option run, type here services.msc and then hit the enter key. Now in services menu, press the V key to find a service with the name VGC. Double click to open it, and if service status is showing as stop, you need to click the start option to start the service at once, and in startup type, make sure it must be automatic. Hit apply and OK button. Now close it and again click on start menu, type CMD and again you need to choose the option run as administrator. Now type here a command netsh space win http space reset space proxy. After doing so, hit the enter key. After doing so, you are ready to launch the game and hopefully this time the issue of Vanguard error van 84 will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving update from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.